They're counting their grapes and sandwiches and bananas.
How many do you have, Alex? How many sandwiches do you have?
1.
How many bananas do you have? How many bananas do you have, Will? 1? No, 1, 2.
Alex, count your grapes. Show Mommy how many grapes you have.
1, 1, 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1.
And then it makes
it's 3.
4.
Yeah. And how many grapes do you have, Will?
Pushing them to the left and to the right.
How many grapes do you have? Yeah, Daddy's gone to his office for a moment. Office, yeah.
How many
Can you eat
sandwiches?
that sandwich, Alex? Can you eat one of your sandwiches?
Well, sit down. All done. Is that good? Holy cow, you put the whole thing in your mouth.
Are you done? Are you all done?
Cheese.
Are you all done? Oh, you want to get
wants
that too?
the same thing.
Alright. Are you running? Are you all done, Alex? Are you all done? Want to get up? Up. Will you get down? Dump, 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 dump. You gonna walk?
Me?
You want me to do it too? Alright, ready? Okay, can you walk? Walk with your hands. Walk with your hands. That's right. Keep going. Keep going. That's right. Good job. Keep your head up. Yes. Yes. Oh, yes. What's Alex doing, huh? Huh? You stand on your head. Whoa!
Oh.
Somersault? Rug. Rug.
He's no dummy. Yeah. We'll bring the rug over here.
Rug.
Here, you can do it on the rug.
Tuck, tuck, tuck.
Yay!
You want to do it, Will? You want to do a somersault? Yay!
Did it. Yeah, Papa helped.